Hello, enthusiastic people. How are you all? I hope you all are doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty. Every day we wake up, rush to work, run after goals, and chase responsibilities. Life feels like a never ending race. And in this race, sometimes we forget nature is a precious gift from Allah. Yes, we often forget nature is a valuable thing, valuable gift from Allah. Standing among the green, taking a deep breath, we feel the real peace of life. When we are in a tough situation, when our mind feels heavy, that is the perfect time, that is the perfect moment. Turn to nature. When we are stuck in a tough situation, or when worries surround us, that is the perfect time we should come closer to nature, because nature gives us a strength to live again. Nature is a precious gift from Allah. Actually, nature not only pleases our eyes, it also brings peace to our hearts. So let's take some time, even in your busy days, to connect with nature, because nature reminds us life is not only about running, it's also about enjoy, it's also about peace and beauty. So let's enjoy the life, let's enjoy the nature. Thank you very much.